Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm not gonna lie, it just took me an hour and a half to figure out how to work my new camera and my new ring light, which I have gotten for Christmas, and I'm so excited. But it took me forever, so I really hope it works because it's rather dark outside at this point. Also, when I'm looking at different places, is because I'm still trying to figure out where to look at when also, if you see me looking down this way, it's where I have my mirror, and we'll see if that works out. I hope that everyone had a lovely Christmas and a happy new year. As already mentioned, I have been apparently really good, and I have got a new camera and a ring light from Christmas for Christmas. I really hope that this will improve the quality of my videos. I mean, it will, because that's the one present I was most grateful for, because it will help me help you. Anyway, and the second present I have got that I was super excited about was Urban Decay bag, which it came like this. It's super pretty in purple, but it's already falling apart, I don't know. And in the bag I got a eyeshadow primer potion, which I will be using. However, I will first finish using the Art Deco eyeshadow primer that I already have. I have so many ideas for this year already, and I'm super pumped and super excited. Then I got a tester for the all-nighter, which I'm super excited about because I actually never bought it. I usually just use the NYX Dewy Finish setting spray, which in this video I will be trying out the Heavy Metals Urban Decay eyeshadow palette. This is the packaging in case you haven't seen it yet. I'm so excited for these colors. I love the packaging. Woo. Okay, too excited, I almost dropped it. Apparently there is a wrong side to the packaging, how not to open it. The palette looks like this. You can see the actual palette is in here. You know, the mirror in the middle is really inconvenient. However, let's see. This are one side of the eyeshadows, and so I don't blind you. This is the other side, and they are wow. Okay, so without further ado, because we haven't already talked about like random stuff for 3 hours. I don't know what's with the 3 hours. I just like to say 3 hours. For whatever time you want to put in the blank space. Since apparently my standard headband has quit on me, I just use... That looks dumb. So, because everything else has disappeared, apparently, as always, we're gonna be using the Art Deco eyeshadow base. It looks like this. We will need a color just for under the eyebrow that is matte. And I will be taking the eyeshadow from Makeup Geek, which is called Babyface, and I will just use that for under my eyebrows. So okay, not that you can see any difference, but you know, it's there. Because I realized that I did a lot of warm toned looks, or they somehow always ended up warm. We will attempt to not end up with a warm looking eyeshadow look today, and we'll just see how it goes. Okay, so first of all, I will be taking that green color, which is called Mullet. Oh, hello. Ooh. And now we're going into the color amp that's right next to it, and because we're lazy, just flipping the brush around. I'm putting it on the outer edge and blending them in with each other. Wow, these colors are so pigmented and beautiful. I don't know whether you can see Angel Fire, which is this one, and it looks like it might have a little bit of a different texture to the other ones. I'm putting it in the inner corner. We're gonna keep it really simple today, because why not? Glory 767 palette. And looks like this. It has been much loved, and I think we're just gonna take the gray color here, this one, and we're just gonna blend over the top. Okay, and now we're gonna take the same brush that we used for the blue and green, and we're just gonna go over. Take the color called Ground, which is this color up here, and I'm just gonna be applying it in the outer corner. Colors, though, I must say, are really pigmented. I am really impressed. They're easy to blend, and they blend with each other very beautifully. Okay, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a fluffy brush and we're just gonna blend the edges on the top. Aluminium. This color here, just with my finger, and we're gonna pop it in the middle. Yes. We'll take the brush that we previously used for the green and blue and just blend in the edges a little bit. My favorite eyeliner of all times, which is the Catrice liquid liner, waterproof, in Don't Leave Me. We're just gonna line our eyes. Why not? So I realized I will have to redo the dots under the eye because I was done. Okay, so for her eyelashes, you can always use fake lashes, of course. However, I won't. I'm using lash curler and the Maybelline Colossal Volume Express eyeliner. Back to it. Let's do, what shall we do? Yeah, that usually happens when I don't plan what exactly I am doing. So this from a cool toned green, even though it looks blue on the camera, I will figure that out, I promise. Turned out into a moon eclipse inspired kind of a look. And to be honest, I have no idea where that came from. Maybe it's the ears, I don't know. But you know what, I kind of like it. Let's see if I can get closer so you can see. So I do understand that maybe it's not the most wearable look for some people, but I would wear that to work, or you know, to go out to a pub or something. Also today I decided I will share the foundation that I usually use on a daily basis when I go on about my life. For the setting powder, I will use the Ercimeno color powder. And just so that you won't say, I am actually very pale. The Mermaid's Heart highlighter from I Heart Makeup. The packaging looks like this, and I will be taking the light blue color here. And if it doesn't blend out, it's more of an artistic take, okay? But it's very blue. Oh my god. Okay, so the first option is the lip liner from Essence in 06 Satin Mauve. It's like the perfect lip color. It's like your lips but better, kind of. That's the first look. I will take a picture for you actually, so you can see it without being too blue. Okay, and for the second lip look, I will be using the metallic foil because I feel like it fits in with the theme. Color Sensational liquid lipstick in 130 Labyrinth. Just shake it up. This is my second finished look. This is how I would pair this eye look with the lip color, or this is what lip color I would wear with the eye look that I have. Oh yeah, I forgot to do the two little dots. Oh my god. Let's quickly fix that. There you go, now we can. So yeah, this is my finished look for today, and I know what you're thinking, the lips are gorgeous. However, this lip product, I don't know whether I mentioned before, you need to make it work, and it can take a while. It just took me, to be quite honest with you, 5 minutes to apply 4 or 5 layers, like to get this opaque look. However, it does last very long. I know that everything seems to be looking a little bit more blue on the screen, however I do have teal hair. The makeup is pretty green and so are the lips, so I promise I will try to figure it out. And this is really it for this video. I had so much fun, and yeah, that's what usually happens when I don't really plan a makeup look, but I still hope that you liked it. Please let me know what you thought of it. You know what, actually, since the last time we have tried this lip gloss didn't really go successfully, we're gonna try it again, this time on top of a liquid lipstick which is dry now. This is the Berry M Lip Boss High Powered Gloss in Trick or Treat, and we're just gonna put it on top. I must say it's gorgeous, and I will insert some pictures so you can see how this looks in natural daylight, so it's less blue and a little bit more green. But yeah guys, I hope you look at this. But yeah, anyway, take care, be safe. I hope you're having a lovely day, whatever you are, evening, morning, afternoon, and I will see you in my next video, hopefully. Bye.